Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of Oats Pongal. It's very healthy, nutritious and tasty breakfast. Cooking Oats Pongal is very easy. Now we'll see how to make Oats Pongal.
Ingredients required for making Oats Pongal. Oats 1 cup. Green gram dal or moong dal half cup. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Grated coconut 2 tablespoon. 2 to 3 green chilies and curry leaves. Cumin seeds or jeera 1 teaspoon. Pepper 1 teaspoon. Hing or asafoetida. Salt as per taste. Cashew nuts. Now let's start cooking. First, to a cooker, add the washed moong dal. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 spoon oil. Close the lid. Cook till 3 whistles comes. Cook till it becomes soft like this. Now put the kadai on a low flame. Add oats. Fry it till it becomes little hot. Make sure that it doesn't change the color. It is hot now. Now turn off the flame. Now put dal on medium flame again. Mash the dal little bit. Now add oats. Mix it well. Add water now. Mix it well. We have added 1 cup water now. Cook this on a medium flame. Cook till oats are done. Now we'll prepare the seasoning. Put the kadai on a medium flame. Add ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add jeera. Add pepper. Add cashew nuts. Fry this now. Now add green chili and curry leaves. Add hing. Mix everything well. Now the seasoning is ready. Switch off the flame. Now add the seasoning to the dal and oats mixture. Mix this well. Add salt as per taste. Now add the coconut. Mix it well. Cover it with the lid and allow to cook for 2 more minutes. Now oats pongal is ready. Turn off the flame. Now oats pongal is ready to serve. This is very healthy breakfast. It can be served with any chutney of your choice. Hope you like the recipe. Please try this.